Yogas and her husband scam their followers or fans. Hi everyone, welcome to Life with Makajeni. I am Umakajeni. On this channel, we are unpacking all the trending topics, and today's topic is about Uvu Yogas Queen and husband like chef Olani Sabel. Guys, I'll tell you why they scam. So there's an event today that basically three la essence equal. So today the event Uvu Yogas has been promoting the event or has been convincing ama-fans ukuthi bathenge ama-tickets to the event le izabe khona today. That happened today ngo 3 p.m. And also i-husband yakaVuyokazi bebahlala baposta promoting event angithi the dining and what it was a cooking thing, guys. A lot of fans, guys, they bought the tickets, obvious, because Vuyokazi promised the fans that she'll be there. Uviki mngani kaVuyokazi naye she said she'll also be there. Even, guys, if ningakhumbula last week on live kaVuyokazi, Uviki promised us one of you guys that they'll be there. And obvious, lot of fans bought them tickets thinking ukuthi even Usabele was there. So today, early, Usabele posted that he wanna get something straight. He won't be there at the event because he never said he'll be there. Even if you guys posted something like that her husband never said uzoba alapho. But guys, my thing is, guys, by now that I love Vuyokazi, but on this one, I think Vuyokazi, she was extremely wrong. Because one, how can you promote the event because guys, if ningakhumbula kahle, the event bebayipromota kuSabelo lapha agcoke I don't know yini the top egcoka ama-chef agcoke that top kube ngathi uyakhuluma nyana like engathi some sort of event nyana angithi bebapromota ngaleso sithombe. The friend manje abathi babe bayenzela yena bebapromotela yena. Why bebangapromote? Because if upromota i-event omunye umuntu, guys, uyipromota ngesithombe saloyo muntu loyo, uyipromota ngama-details waloyo muntu loyo. Okay, they are saying on the post bawangekho ama-details ka-Wasabelo or in okay, fine, I get that bawangekho ama-details, but besingesikhathi sokubheka ama-details while bokuyibo boyi-two abapromota the event. Usabelo nje bokumele asho, bokumele basho bano-viewers from the word go ukuthi you know what kuzoba nento. So and they knew ukuthi Usabelo was training. Everyone wanted to see Usabelo noVuyokazi together since there are rumors that Usabelo no Vuyokazi, they've never met in person. You understand? So mina into yami ukuthi bokumele bakhulume nje iqiniso aboVuyokazi, and even now mabaxolisa bangathi show me where I said my husband will be there. Bomele basho even if husband akhona ikuphumelanga ukuza nabo bomele basho ukuthi sorry, we know guys ukuthi uGabi uyasebenza in the UK. It's not like he is owning that restaurant asebenza kuyo. So kumele basho ukuthi maybe due to whatever reasons emenza ukuthi ange South Africa. Because I for one even saw there's a time I saw Usabelo posted that September uza la usabhuka amathikithi are expensive, something like that. So obvious basinike sonke lo mcondo ukuthini they'll be here kule event bethu. So why uVuyokazi mele abe there kanti i-event yomngani kaSabelo yabo ukuthi kudlalwa ngathi la, guys, like serious kudlalwa ngathi. Mabaceda lapho yabo lo Vuyokazi uVuyokazi nje bashada noSabelo angiyithandi lento azo abayiyo because manje udlala ngemcondo yabantu. uVuyokazi okay fine, uVuyokazi ngathi akakapost ithoma ngathi uVuyokazi she was there because from last week nje bakapost content ala eGauteng and she seemed very happy. I remember even last week she even wanted a makeup artist, guys, and we were like bazomnitha. No, from nje isaqala lento ukuthi ama-fans if they were saying let's support uVuyokazi ne-husband yakhe, why bebangasho ukuthi no guys about to clear the air ukuthi you know what, no akusiyi event kaVuyokazi or akusiyi event kamyeni kaVuyokazi, but there we are going to support a friend. There's nothing wrong lapho, guys, because I believe following kaVuyokazi is so huge and a lot of people they wanna meet uVuyokazi, especially since sakahlukane noMphumulo himself, because they are so happy that uyenze decision right for yena. You understand? Yena bomele basho for the get go abantu mabasasho ukuthi okay, because lento leyo ukuthi i-event yakaSabelo abantu kudala baqala ukusho, guys, abayiqala ukuyisho now Mina, my thing is, why are you promoting even Tom Kozwako ngesithombe sakho? Because there they were posting some, even Uvyoraz. I don't remember Uvyoraz mina posted that friend. Uvyoraz bega post to Sabel, then my details. They didn't even post even a picture of that restaurant. Beba posted Tombe Sarah Sabel. Then the details were there. Now Abasati Abas Agasezu Sabelo, they don't wanna apologize to their fans or their followers or people who bought tickets, guys, because they wanna meet them. No, they are saying masibabonise la khona guys, ama-celebrity ayadlala ngathi. Kodwa mina I know if ungakwazi ukuxolisa kuma-fans wakho into yakho izosheshe iphele kabuhlungu, because manje I wanna lie, a lot of people bezubuhlungu and a lot of people I know they bought tickets because they wanna meet the couple, and we are all happy ukuthi we'll see them happy, understand, si-ready ukuthi you know what, we'll post i-couple yomhlaba. No, i-couple yomhlaba bathi we must show them where they said uSabelo will be there. But bazala bamzitho, that is my opinion. Please comment down below ukuthi when we bona kanjani, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.